For the last 6 months, I've been living in a loop. Wake up tired, scroll on my phone for an hour, promise myself I'll be productive, fail, and then go to bed feeling guilty. I wasn't just taking it easy, I was rotting. I realized that I was waiting for motivation to strike. I was waiting to feel like working, but that feeling never came. So 30 days ago, I decided to stop waiting. I challenged myself to quit being lazy for 30 days. No excuses, no cheat days, just pure discipline. I wanted to see if I could actually change my brain, or if I was just destined to be lazy forever. Here is exactly what happened. First, we need to define lazy. For me, laziness isn't resting. Resting is recovery. Laziness is knowing you should do something, but choosing the easy dopamine hit instead. To break this, I set 3 simple rules for these 30 days. Remember, I was starting from zero, so I couldn't try to be Elon Musk on day 1. Rule number 1, no phone for the first hour of the day. This was to stop the doom scrolling paralysis. Rule number 2, 2 hours of deep work every single day, no distractions. Rule number 3, physical movement for 20 minutes. That's it. It sounds easy, right? It wasn't. The first week was miserable. I realized that my brain is addicted to cheap dopamine. When I woke up on day 2 and couldn't check Instagram, I physically felt anxious. I sat on my couch staring at the wall. My brain was screaming at me to just check it for 1 second. During the work sessions, I couldn't focus. I would write 1 sentence, then instinctively reach for a tab to open YouTube. I had to literally sit on my hands. I didn't feel motivated. I felt bored. And I realized that boredom is actually painful for a lazy brain. By day 5, I wanted to quit. I told myself, this is stupid, 1 day off won't hurt. But I remembered why I started. I forced myself to sit there until the timer went off. Around day 10, something strange happened. The noise in my head started to get quieter. Because I wasn't flooding my brain with TikToks first thing in the morning, I actually had mental energy by 10 a.m. The deep work sessions stopped feeling like a prison sentence and started feeling satisfying. I noticed that laziness isn't a personality trait. It's just friction. Once I removed the friction, the phone, the distractions, doing the work became the default option. By day 20, I wasn't using willpower anymore. It was just routine. I woke up, I drank water, I worked. My body just knew what to do. The lazy me was fading away, not because I killed him, but because I stopped feeding him attention. So 30 days later, did I become a millionaire? No. Did I get a 6-pack? No. But here's the real transformation. My screen time went from 6 hours a day to 2 hours. I completed a project I had been putting off for 3 months. But most importantly, the guilt is gone. You know that heavy feeling in your chest when you know you're wasting your potential? That creates anxiety. That anxiety makes you want to scroll more to escape it. It's a trap. After 30 days of discipline, that heavy feeling is replaced by self-respect. And let me tell you, self-respect feels 1,000 times better than dopamine. If you are watching this and you feel like you're stuck or lazy, I need you to know one thing. You are not broken. You are just in a bad habit loop. Motivation is a lie. It's a feeling that comes and goes. Discipline is a system. I started from zero, literally rotting in bed. And if I can do 30 days, you can do 1 day. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait to feel ready. Put the phone down. Do the hard thing.